Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Gulshan Nawar and I am a student of Rehan AI Teachers Institute. Today I want to make my review on the TEDx talk of Jacob Ranger, that is AI stole my job and it is good for us. Basically this TED talk is an optimistic TED talk and he views the artificial intelligence as a human friend. He says that we should not take artificial intelligence in a negative way. We should want to take it in positive way and try to adapt new skills regarding the demand of time. The word lost of job is tedious and dangerous, and Jacob Ringel also suffers from this process. He loses his job, and when he loses his job, he did not fall into despair. He take it to his turning point, and feels and re-evaluate his abilities, his potential, his success, and his capabilities. And that is why he want to give us a perspective. He give us a dual perspective of artificial intelligence. That is, although due to artificial intelligence we lose our traditional jobs, but side by side we have a new skills, new jobs regarding artificial intelligence, regarding the need of time. That is why he want to make his message. He want to convey his message to all of the people that if you want to compete with the world, you should have the capability. You should have the adaptation process. If you have the adaptation process, then you will be able to go with the world, to go with the world, with the demand of the world. That is why he want to take artificial intelligence as a friend of humans. He want to make it sure that you should be he want to make it sure that you should be try to take it as a partner. Although we are have a risk of displacement, we have a risk of traditional jobs, regarding a lot of human needs, then